Welcome to Spread Hunter Daily Safari for Tuesday, May 29th. We hope that your holiday weekend was great. And now back to work. As you saw today, the market was unnerved by goings-on in Italy, and the entire European Union is getting a little creaky. So that put the market down. I think at its lows it was down about 500 points. It closed down less than 400. And I'll show you in a minute some of the SPY trades that were happening on Spread Hunter. As you've no doubt noticed, we haven't recorded anything for a few days. Markets have been flat, and smart traders, especially Spread Hunter spread traders, are shrinking their trades until volatility shows itself as it did today. And this is very important for people who are trading options, especially weekly options that don't have a very long lifespan. You cannot buy these things and just sit on them week after week if they don't move. So you need to, first thing a good trader does is start cutting down his positions. A 10 lot becomes a 2 lot, a 20 lot becomes a 3, 4, 5 lot. And then you work from there until something happens, as it did today. So what we saw today were people buying with the SPY trading around 268. We saw people buying the 70, 71.5, and also the 70.5, 72. And both of these spreads were significantly lower than where they closed here. The 70, 71.5 was trading close to this price, which would have been indicated by 2 strikes up, which is what the SPYs did. They ran from 68 to 69.43. And the 70.5 spread was trading closer to this price, which it was, and now you see where it is. So these, you need volatility for these moves to show up, but when they do, you can go back to trading the size that you were before. I also just wanted to indicate that Alibaba and some of the other tech stocks were strong today, and even some of the retailers, and people were selling out of the money put spreads for expiration this week. By the way, this SPY trade was also for Friday, given that we have 3 SPY expirations a week now. But people were selling out of the money put spreads and using the cheap option at the bottom of this spread, the 75, to cover however many 82s. Now, I think that these 82s were well over a dime, maybe 12 or 13 cents earlier in the day, and once the market gets any semblance of stability and starts to regain its footing, they really lean on these out of the monies, especially the out of the money puts. And that's what they did. I'm sure these options are probably half of what they were when people were selling them earlier today. So that's what we got for you today in Spread Hunter. And if the market stays somewhat liquid, we'll be doing this on a much more regular basis. So we look forward to bringing it to you, and good luck trading.